Hi folks, John.Richardson, Guaranty RV, Junction City, Oregon. Want to take a few moments of your time to show you a brand spanking new Coachmen Freedom Express. This is an aluminum cage construction. As you'll notice, we have a 292 bunkhouse model. I'll show you the particulars when we get inside. Got a front cap on it. It's got the B&L stabilization system. This is an automatic leveling system. We're going to fill your propane. We're going to give you 2 batteries. We are going to give you the finest walkthrough in the country right here at Guaranty. I want you to be very familiar with all the systems on this before you take it out to go camping. Why? Because I want you to have an enjoyable first camping experience. Now we're going to go around this. I'll show you a little bit about it. You'll notice we got LED lights. We don't have them on right now, but in the evening, you got your lights on. You got your awning out with rope lighting underneath it. It's just a beautiful coach, and you're probably going to have the easiest one to find in the campsite because it's all lit up. So here in the front underneath the bed, we have a pass-through storage area. Notice right above it, we have a freestanding table so that we can pull that out in case you happen to find a campsite that nobody's using that beautiful campsite because there's no picnic table in it. You got your own table. Bring a couple chairs with you. You're ready to go camping in the best spot in town. Notice we have smooth fiberglass sides. Some of the amenities on the bunkhouses: electric awning. Push a button, it opens that up. Before we go inside, I'll let the cameraman take a picture here and show you. I can't get the door all the way open. We got these things crammed in. We have an outside kitchen. You have a refrigerator. You got a sink. You got a nice silverware drawer. You can take this stuff out should you want to. Counter space here. Cabinet. TV spot if you're of the mind you want to bring your TV out and watch TV out here, you can do it. Maybe it's game day, you want to do a little tailgating. Maybe you want to cook up some steaks right here. Coleman outside barbecue. God, I'm getting hungry already. So that's the outside kitchen. The reason we have that is because right on the other side of this wall is a bunk bed. And we got 2 more on the other side. So let's go check it out. We got kids to put away. Before we go there, you can't never have enough drawers. Look at this. Nice drawer to put barbecue utensils, that type of thing out here, or what have you. Swimming suit, should you want to. Certified green. Now, one thing I'd like to talk to you about is you'll notice this composite panel. That's an Asdel. That is what this fiberglass is bonded to. I won't take a lot of time on this video to explain it, but to my knowledge there's only 2 companies that go the expense to do that. One of them is Coachmen, the other one is Lance. Very, very high end. Basically what the Asdel does is it eliminates any problems of having air bubbles developing, what we call delamination on your fiberglass. The Asdel, being a composite panel, does not absorb moisture. Therefore, you don't have to worry about glues breaking down. Okay, let's go inside. I want to show you a few things about it. On this side, I'll come around the other side. We have a walk-around queen bed with storage underneath it, with a great big empty box because I think we put the TV up already. So that's a 40-inch TV that the trailer comes with. Nice light wood, nice big cabinets up ahead. Nice hanging closets on both sides of the bed. You'll notice that there's electrical outlets in case you're one of those people that needs a CPAP machine to breathe better. We got the accommodations for that. You got a nice vent up above the bed. Of course, you got the one-piece rubber roof. You have a spin-around TV. If you were to open up these two pocket doors, the TV would spin around so that you can watch TV. Thank you. You could watch TV. You could have a great big picture from Costco of the family on your favorite campsite on this side. So you can watch TV from either the bedroom or the living room. And best of all, should you want some mood lighting, fire off the fireplace. That's an electric fireplace. It actually puts out heat. You've got cabinets below it for DVDs, that type of thing. Then of course here we have a very, very big counter spot here in the kitchen, complete with a nice big huge sink with a pull-out faucet here so that you can spray your dishes off, that type of thing. 3-burner stove is pretty standard here. They give you a food grade cutting board, so should you need to cut up some meat, that type of thing, you got a nice cutting board to do it. 3-burner stove, nice little oven. Underneath the sink you'll notice we've got cabinets. We've got a silverware drawer here cut around so that you can put this thing back in around your sink. Of course, cabinets up above it. You have free roadside assistance. You got microwave. Very, very nice looking kitchen across the way. We have a couch that makes up into a bed in the slide out. We have a booth that makes up into a bed. So this guy, if you have the notion you'd like to take the entire Boy Scout camp out camping, you can do it. You got 2 for in there, you got 2 for here, you got 2 for here, that sleeps 6. Then we come through, of course, I'll get to the back end here in a minute, but you got room for 3 more, so you can sleep 9 people in this. Nice big refrigerator, freezer. Guess what? Freezer's on top, believe it or not. Look at the size of that refrigerator. Next to that, we have the bathroom. I just love the colors on this thing. I mean, they're very, very bright and light. Counter space in the bathroom. A sink or a bathtub. You don't want to climb in the sink. Bathtub, climb in the bathtub. Skylight up above. No lights on this thing. Look how nice and bright it is. You literally, until darkness comes, you literally don't need to use your lights plugging in or anything else. Of course here, another big cabinet here to store all the stuff you should have left at home but you decided to bring with you. We got spots for it. Got another cabinet up above. Then we come into the kids' room. Here we have 2 beds on this side. We've got the bigger, wider bunk here because underneath we have that outside kitchen. All kinds of storage, and of course the kids have their own cabinet that they can put all their games and DVDs, that type of thing in. So folks, I invite you to come out here to Guaranty. We're going to treat you right. This is a family-owned business, been in business 52 years. I've been a part of the organization now for almost 28 years. We're going to treat you right. We're going to treat you like family, and we have the facilities to take care of you should you ever have a problem. I believe we have 48 service bays now. And get this, we're one of the few facilities in the United States that can take care of you 7 days a week, Sunday being for emergencies only. We have complete walkthroughs going on. We have free seminars. We have our own RV park here. We have body shop. We got it all here, folks. There's really no other reason to go anywhere else. Come on out to Junction City. Let us save you some money. Give you a selection, the likes you have never seen, unless you've got a mindset that you want to go to 40 or 50 dealers. We got that much inventory right here on our property. Come see us. My name's John.Richardson, or the number's right there underneath my name. Give us a holler. I'll be more than happy to set up an appointment or answer any questions you may have. Appreciate your time. Thank you.